pangalan ng ating ibang kasama, Ate Oli?
Ayan, syempre Kuya Emma, nandito rin ang ating food coordinator. Say hi naman dyan, Ate Milka! Ayan, syempre po, hindi mo mawawala ang aming manager in charge for today na magbibigay ng kanyang welcoming remarks. Please welcome po, Ma'am Van! Ayan.
Hello everyone! Good afternoon po! Hooray for today! So I just want to welcome all of you here po at McDonald's San Jose Drive. Especially kay Mommy and Daddy for choosing here to celebrate Mac's 7th birthday. So I hope mag-enjoy po kayo sa party na inahanda ng aming team. And ang wish ko lang for Mac is sana you will grow up healthy and happy. So God bless you po. So thank you po ulit. See you next time po. Thank you!
Ayan, thank you so much, Ma'am Van, sa inyong napakagandang mensahe sa ating guest. At syempre kay Kuya